So this is the US 30 analysis for Friday the 24th of November. So let's have a look what happened with prices and where we'd expect them to go. So we did the analysis on the previous day in around this area here. So we say as we're in the middle of nowhere, we would like to see prices to move down to a level that is marked out on the chart, a strong level, so we could potentially have buy side trades and potential short side trades. So we came down to 23.48. Well, 23,480, 23,480, and we did trade below it to the tune of, let's see, 46, 23.46. No, sorry, 23,460. So it's about 20 or so points due to the fact that we are trading the we are looking at US 30. 20 points isn't much, to be honest. You could say it's an actual test of the level. So we've come down to this 23,480, and we have seen some buy side momentum. We had a brief close below, but we did saw buy side momentum come in immediately. We have come back up into this area. We've had this consolidation in around this 23,525. So from here, possibly we could have what might be a little head and shoulders pattern here, which would be a bullish sign. It would be an inverted head and shoulders. We've come up to this area where we've had consolidation. So if we do see some buy side momentum coming to the market, we could interpret it as being a inverted head and shoulders. And again, we'll be talking at 23,600 level. Depending on how price reacts at 23,600, we'll be looking to target beyond 23,600. We'll be targeting 23,750. So beyond that, actually, I could actually work it out now, actually. So bear with me a second here. I'll just possibly change it soon enough. Let's just... Yes, we'll keep it at 23,750. So in around 23,750. So if we do successfully navigate 23,600, we'll be targeting 23,750. Now, if we do see a breakdown in prices, if instead, if we don't have a inverted head and shoulders play out, if instead this is a consolidation before a breakdown, it's an impulsive move from the downside, and before we have a consolidation, before we have a slow breakdown, and we don't have an inverted head and shoulders to go up all the way back up to 23,600. Let's just have a look where our potential targets would be. So we'll see our price reacts at 23,480 again. We've also got a 400 period moving average as well. So we came pretty close to testing the 400 period moving average here. The 400 period moving average is marked out in black. And below that, we've also got the 200 period moving average marked out here in blue. The 400 period moving average is pretty close to 23,480, so it may act as a confluence for more buy side momentum coming into the market. If we do break down from 23,480 and the 400 period moving average, we'll be treading carefully, as we've also got 200 period moving average not far back. So if we do successfully navigate these dynamic levels as well as this horizontal level as well, we'll be looking at targets 23,350. That would be in where we did find some buy side momentum previously. Not actually on this chart here at the moment. We just see trading a bit between the levels and without actually stalling. But in around this 23,350, we potentially see some buy side momentum come into market, beyond which you'll be looking for is 23,250. Again, we'll be looking for more buy side momentum to come into the market from that 23,250, 23,350, and the 200 and 400 period moving average. Again, to the upside, we've already mentioned levels are 23,600 and 23,750. So we're going to have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up here. So if we head over to the daily chart on the US 30, again, let's see, again, let's get scaling. We won't be looking at the weekly and monthly because there really isn't any point, as they're extremely bullish, candles closing near their highs. So let's just have a look at this daily chart. So on this daily chart, as you can see here, let's get the scaling on here correct. There we go. Oh, I haven't fixed my drawings in. Yes, sorry about that. I just noticed something to my charts. So as you can see, we've come into this 23,600 level, and we've had a pullback, and again we've come to 23,600, and we have had a bit of a pullback. So if we do get a bit of a shallow pullback, we'll be looking for a test and break of the 23,600 to move up to 23,750. Overall, we are still in an uptrend. We've had a few pullbacks here and there, but overall, we're still in an uptrend on the US 30 until something changes. But we've mentioned all levels to the upside and the downside. We'll possibly look at support and resistance. So that's your US 30. Thanks for watching.